Imagine that, we got another 250 gallon pit on a single axle trailer package rolling out of the shop today. This one going to my man Sergey. He's got a slick setup. Let's check it out. So guys, like I said, single axle trailer package. All of our trailers built in-house by American craftsmen, designed around your setup, right? We do a double frame rail all the way back to the axle, single 3,500 pound axle on this, fabricated fenders. That ain't no chimsy flying China crap there. It's gonna last a lifetime, as well as a powder coated finish, guys. And you got a lot of storage on this trailer, but you ain't here for the trailer, you're here for the pit. So let's check it out. The TMG 250, this is our patina finish. So what that is we got a large selection of tanks here. We'll send you pictures of all of them. They're all a little bit different. Pick the one you like. We'll build the smoker into it, and then 3 coats of high gloss clear coat really makes that patina pop. Now in all of our tank smokers, you get top grates included in the price, all right? We ain't gonna charge you extra for top shelf. 3 bottom trays here, they are removable. We got a 1.5 inch ball valve grease train down there as well. TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers, made in the USA, of course. Fold down stack, that's standard on all tank smokers. Another standard feature is the fully insulated firebox. We'll open it up here. We got a 24-inch pipe on the inside, 3/8 thick, wrapped with insulation. Doors insulated, the front of it's insulated as well. Holds heat great. Around back, this is one option we have on this trailer, is our stainless prep top. Folds up, you got your storage underneath. Fold it back down, prep off of it, serve off of it, you're ready to rock and roll. We also have a spare tire on the nose there. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.